Let's see how to make coffee cup. Add a cylinder, then add the loop cut in the middle. Make the cup shape. Add the subdivision modifier. Add a torus and decrease the segment to 7. Now select the faces and delete it. Then make the handle shape. Add the subdivision modifier. Now we make the coffee part. Add a circle and extrude it to inside, then add the loop cuts. Select the loop cut and move to little up. Add the subdivision modifier.
Add a circle. Extrude it to inside. Add solid I-fear modifier. Now add the subdivision modifier. Apply the materials.